All right, we have 2 airlifts in so far. One right there, and one over there. You can kind of see the white foam kind of foaming up, and the circulation and the river flow. Let's go over and take a closer look. Our airlifts are absolutely quiet. I mean, even right here you can't even hear them. You can see the white foam from the water. It's the first time this lake's ever been circulated, really. You can see the circulation just bubbling up. You can just see it, and then the circulation flows right here. If I sit here, it just pulls me away. It's doing about 10 gallons every second. You can see airlift, the one right here. And then most of the air then here just keeps going. And it's just bubbly, bubbly. See, it just starts going. And just even underneath me, you can see the water because there's this 6-inch pipe down there. So it's about 10 gallons every second is coming out of here. But you can see the water circulating through. All right, 100% free off the sun. Having 4 of these moves about 3 million gallons of water a day. So the fish love it, the lake loves it, and we're grabbing water about 7 feet down right now, but we can go much further too, if need be, down to 20 feet down if need be. So you can't hear the air pump, but you can start hearing the bubbles. Now you might be able to hear the air pump a smidge, yeah. I can now, being like right on top of it. It's doing its 10 gallons a second. Same thing here. I'm gonna grab your grass. Working great too. Natural current aerator circulator. Absolutely no noise. Totally hear all the cars up there. Exactly where we want it. Good job. Get out of here. Good job. Very professional. No fuss, no muss. Okay, we have 2 natural current airlifts in here for aeration and circulation of the water. And we want to make sure everyone understands that you can't hear them. The only thing you can hear is the natural life as we're looking for. It's nature is all you're going to hear around here. Moving about 3 million gallons of water a day. Working like a champ. 100% solar powered. With no noise. Free out the sun. And we have a second one over there. Oh. You can probably see the white little plume. Great. And this one obviously is a lot closer. And all you do is hear the cars and the ducks, and the geese doing their thing. Perfect. Okay, one last test here for natural current aerator circulator. And all you hear is the natural sounds. You hear the cars, obviously, but you won't hear airlift. And it's working great. It's moving 10 gallons a second. It's aerating and circulating 10 gallons a second, grabbing it 7 feet deep, the water. So it's sucking water from the bottom, 10 gallons a second through a 6-inch PVC, and aerating it, circulating it right out. You can see a little, the airlift's about 6 inches underneath the water, so you know you can see the bubbles as from the T's on top. But then the current's really underneath the water. But you can still see the white, or the remnants of the bubbles are still coming out. But it's doing massive water flow circulation as well, which is really taking the cold water from the bottom and bringing it to the top. So that way we don't have a bunch of algae growth, and which takes the oxygen out of the water for the fish.